I'm making a cream cheese peach galette, and it's one of my favorite things to bake, not only because it's super budget friendly, but because it's so easy and you can do any filling you want. You can even make it savory, just add less sugar. I put the ingredients for the dough on the screen. Cornstarch will help to keep it together. If you want to make it savory, just add less sugar and more salt. My absolute favorite galette will be the mushroom galette, but cook the mushroom first and then add it to the top. It is so satisfying. And I'm making 2 batches of dough in this video. That's why it's a lot more ingredients than what I put up on the screen. I'm using the Cuisinart's food processor. I love this thing because I don't have to get my hands dirty and it will make the dough for me. It's almost done. Beautiful. Look at that. Barely did anything. And I realized I forgot to add oil, which I ended up adding, of course, but oil will help to keep it soft. I've got foil wrap. I'm just gonna divide my dough in 2s, so 1 and 2, and when I fold it, I want it to be flat. If the dough is flat, it will chill much faster. This is going into the fridge until it is pretty much rock hard, because we want it hard, and this is where you're gonna work super fast. No time to FaceTime, chat with family members. You want to roll this out as soon as possible. There's butter in here and it's gonna start melting from the heat from your hands, or if it's like hot outside, and roll it on top of your baking parchment paper or silicone, because if you just do it on the countertop, it will stick to it. So bake it on, roll it out on whatever you're gonna bake it on. I added cream cheese. Make sure it's super room temperature, spreadable. If it's not spreadable enough, put it on a bowl and microwave it a little bit. I added a little bit less than about a quarter of the cream cheese, and then vanilla sugar I just got from Trader Joe's. Honestly, I don't think it makes any difference. It's just sugar and little vanilla in it. Here I have canned peach. I love canned peach, but the last time I did it, I didn't use the whole canned peach. I didn't want to keep it in the fridge, so I put it in a Ziploc bag and into the freezer. It was fine, and now it's time to lift on the side. I was in Florida during this video, and even with the AC blasting, it was still really hot inside, so my dough started melting. I needed a little bit help from the knife. Just lift it over. It doesn't have to be beautiful. It's a galette. It's gonna be delicious. Like, this crust, the dough is foolproof. I love it so much. I should go make it right now. It has been a few weeks since I made this. So this is done and going on to my baking sheet and into the oven at 400 for 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, and I am back. I am so fast. I say 15 to 20 minutes because everyone's oven is different. Some ovens are stronger, some are weaker, so it takes a few more minutes. So just keep an eye on it until it's golden brown. And if you want to dust it with powdered sugar, make sure that the crust is cooled down, because if the crust is still really warm, it's a little bit wet as well, greasy from the butter, so it will absorb the powdered sugar. So just dust it when it's cooled down, and it is gonna be delicious, so easy to make, so budget friendly, and everyone's gonna love it.